Hey everyone, this textbook doesn't make any sense. I don't know how I'm supposed to find the area of the 7-Up can. I need to watch the World Baseball Classic tonight. Ichiro is playing. Korea vs. Japan. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Who can help me?
I can! Woof woof! Back in my days at Dog University, and I had a great professor named Miss Lim, and she taught me how to do that, finding the area of a region between two curves. If f and g are continuous on a to b, and g of x is less than or equal to f of x for all x in a to b, then the area of the region bounded by the graphs of f and g on the vertical line x equals a and x equals b. The area equals the integral of a to b, f of x minus g of x and dx. You get that, Ryan?
That makes perfect sense. But what am I going to do with the rest of Chapter 6?
I'm glad you're getting it, Ryan. But let's ask your dad on how to move on to the rest of Chapter 6. He's an expert on 6.2.
Well, Ryan, I understand you wanting to watch the Japan-Korea game. Ichiro's my favorite player, too. He's so good. Well, in order to find the volume of this 7-Up can, we might as well move on to Chapter 6.2, finding volume through the disc and washer method. You use the disc method when you're rotating around an axis and there is no gap. The formula for finding the volume through the disc method is volume equals pi times the integral of a to b r squared dx or dy. The difference with the washer method is if there's a gap between the axis of revolution and the object you're trying to find the volume of. The formula for the washer method is the volume equals the pi times the integral from a to b of big R squared minus little r squared dx or dy.
Thank you so much! That was a huge help. I know now how to use the disc and washer method. Maybe next week I can even learn the shell method. Now when I'm bored during math class, I'm going to find the volume of everything.
Well, that's fantastic, Ryan. Now we can go and watch the World Baseball Classic and watch Japan. Go Japan! We love Ichiro. He's the greatest. Just make sure you thank your teacher for teaching you so he can teach you next week.
By the way, I just pooped on the floor!